Hello everyone. Now we will talk about research proposal. Research proposal is a concise summary of your research paper. It creates a general idea of your research by highlighting the questions and issues you are going to address in your paper. And by the way, I am Rubin Garnica Padillas. Introduction. You need to start with a strong introduction. The introduction is written to provide a background or context related to your research problem. It is important to frame the research question while writing the proposal. And here's the topic that we need to talk about: background of study, the objective of study, the significance of the study, the scope and the limitation, time and place of the study, the operational definition of terms, the conceptual framework and theoretical framework of the study. But before that, we will talk about the literature review. A separate section dedicated to the literature review will allow you to conduct extensive background research and support your research question with ample proof, credible sources, and research. The following are the basic purposes of the literature review: to give reference to the researchers whose study has been a part of your research, to help you construct a precise and clear research question. There are some common mistakes that students make while reviewing the literature: lack of organization and coherence, no proper structure, lack of focus on the topic, not citing the papers and research properly. And now we will talk about the background of the study, about what are the issues that lead the problem or the problematic situation or the problems that lead to the study. Supports literature, local and international, and also the research gap. What makes your study unique and how it is different from other researchers. In writing the background of the study, start by providing a brief overview of the research topic and its significance in the field. And next, the objective of the study. The objective of the study is often divided into two categories: the main objective and the specific objectives. The main objective is primary goal of the study, while the specific objectives are the steps will be taken to achieve the main objective. Your research objectives will clearly concise what the writer is trying to achieve. Moreover, these aims and objectives must be achievable. It means that it must be framed according to the available time, infrastructure, and other important resources. And next, what is the importance or the significance of the study? Well, mainly focus on the question: who will benefit from the study? This section will state the contribution of your study and usefulness of the study in the society. And next is the scope and the limitation. The scope is mainly coverage on your study, and the limitation is the limitation of your study or topic in order to be specific. The research limitations indicate the flaws and shortcomings of your research. These may be include unavailability of resources, small sample size, and wrong methodology. And next is time and place of the study. It refers to the location where the research was conducted. This could be a specific city or a country, a type of environment like a school or hospital, or even in a virtual location for online research. The place of the study is important because different locations can have different cultural, social, environmental factors that might influence the results. And next is the operational definition of terms. Defines technical terms based on how they are used in the study, specifically in the title. This aims to provide the readers or future researchers with basic terminologies that are important to understand the paper. Next is the conceptual framework of your study. Elaborates the research problem in relation to relevant literature. This section may be summarized to major, dependent, and independent variables in your research. The framework may be summarized in a schematic diagram that presents the major variables and the hypothesized relationships. And last, the theoretical framework of your study refers to a collection of theories, concepts, and ideas that provide foundation for a research study. It is a conceptual framework that guides the researcher in formulating research questions, designing the study, collecting and analyzing data, and interpreting findings.